Welcome to part 126 of Daily English. Today's topic: small talk, food. What's your favorite food? Example: what's your favorite food? Mine is pizza. I love Vietnamese food. Example: I love Vietnamese food. It's delicious. I enjoy cooking. Example: I enjoy cooking for my family. Do you like spicy food? Example: do you like spicy food? I do. This tastes amazing. Example: this tastes amazing. You should try it. I'm hungry. Example: I'm hungry. Let's get something to eat. I'm full. Example: I'm full. The meal was great. Let's try that restaurant. Example: let's try that restaurant this weekend. That sounds delicious. Example: homemade noodles? That sounds delicious. Mini conversation. Anna, what's your favorite food? Ben, I love Vietnamese food. Anna, do you like spicy food? Ben, yes. And that new restaurant sounds delicious. Anna, great. Let's try that restaurant this weekend. Daily tip. Food is one of the most popular small talk topics. Asking about favorite foods, cooking, or restaurants is an easy way to start a friendly conversation and discover shared interests. Speaking challenge. Talk about your favorite food. Explain why you like it, whether you enjoy cooking, what restaurant you recommend, and ask another person about their favorite food. Speak using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 127. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.